Orange loves me, so I need to learn to love orange. I'm in love. I am in love. Now this combo. Hi guys, welcome or welcome back to my channel. My name is Kate and over here we do beauty related videos, and if that sounds like something you are interested in, please be sure to subscribe. Today I'm going to be doing something a little bit different. I'm going to be showing you my favorite bold lip combos, and I just want to get into the practice of putting more colorful things on my lips. Like, I'm always doing a nude lip combo, and I'm sure a lot of you guys are too. So I want to show you some ways to spice up your lip combos, because not everyday nude. So yeah, without further ado, I'm gonna get right into it. So for the first combo, I'm gonna go into my Revolution lip gloss. This is the Sheer Brilliant lip gloss in the shade Excess. I'm just gonna put that all over my lips. Let me use a cute mirror. Now this lip gloss is beautiful. It's full of pigment. You can wear it on its own, but you know me, I like a bit of ombre, so I'm going to line my lips with this LA Girl matte finish lip gloss. That's what it says. That's weird, but yeah, that's what it says. And this is in the shade, what is it called? So this is in the shade Secret. Now this is a lip gloss I can get behind. I love this combo. It just takes my makeup to the next level. I love it. I don't want to take it off. It's so pretty. But on to the next one. So I'm going to use this Velvet Matte Lip Crayon that I got from Primark a few years back. I don't know if it will still be available, but you can use any warm brown lip liner. So now that our lips are lined, I'm going to go into this blood red lipstick. So this is the Revolution Pro Hydra Matte Liquid Lipstick in the shade Red Drip. I'm just going to put that on my lip. So one thing about this lipstick is that it doesn't really dry down to a matte finish. It dries down to a more satin finish, but it's very beautiful and it hydrates the lips as it implies. But beware, if you have any dead skin on your lips, this will bring it forward. So make sure that you scrub your lips before you use this lipstick. But yeah, anyway, this is my version of a classic red lip. So it's like a blood deep red. So it's not like a super vibrant red. It's deep, but it's really beautiful on my skin tone and I love it. Now for this next lip combo, I'm going to be using the Kiko lip pencil in the color 531. It's a plummy lip liner. And I'm going to be going in with this Zaron lipstick in the shade Solaris. So Zaron is a Nigerian owned brand and is based in Nigeria, and if you didn't know, I am Nigerian, so I picked this up when I was in Nigeria and I really love this color. I haven't worn it in a while and I haven't worn it on my channel because I felt like you guys couldn't get it, but I do really love this lipstick. So if you are in Nigeria, you should try it out. I love this combo and this lipstick is so creamy, like, oh my gosh. I really love the shade. It's really different. It's not something you see everywhere and I just like the way it looks on me. I would have thought purple would make my teeth look yellow, but it doesn't, so that's a win. But yeah. So to take this lip combo one step further, I'm going to use the MAC Grand Illusion lip gloss in the shade Just Hustling, because this has pink and blue reflex. It's really beautiful and it gives like a minty sensation on the lips, which I love. So I'm just going to put that on top. I'm in love. I am in love. So now for lip combo number 5, I'm gonna go into my Essence Draw the Line lip pencil, and I think, I can't really remember the shade of this, but I will put it up on the screen. Fingers crossed I remember. So now that that is on, I'm gonna go into another Revolution Pro Hydra matte lipstick, and this is the shade Dystopia. I love this one. I feel like that lip liner is not popping the way I want it to. I'm gonna go back in with that Ellie Girl lip liner that I used earlier. I mean liquid lipstick that I used earlier. I'm just gonna use that to line my lips.
So give me one for my money. There's nobody, no one surround me.
This combo is giving me everything. I love it. This is giving me rich auntie vibes, and it's time. It's literally time for me to step up into rich auntie. Like, I need to move away from baby girl life. I love baby girl life, but it's time for me to move into the realm of rich auntie, and this is giving me that. Oh my gosh, this is beautiful. This is stunning.
If I minimize my net worth, would you still have me? Keep it 100, I'd rather you trust me than do.
So on to the next. So I left a bit of the red of the last lip combo on, and I'm going to be going into the studded lip pencil by Morphe. I'm just going to be lining my lips with that.
Feeling like Tyson with it. Knock it out twice, I'm with it. Only for the night, I'm kidding. Only for life, you're homie for life, you're homie for life, let's get it.
This one is actually really nice. I don't know why I've been sleeping on it. So now I'm going to be using another Zaron lipstick, and this is another corally kind of color. It is really nice. Weirdly enough, orange is my least favorite color, but orange is doing things for me. Orange loves me, so I need to learn to love orange. Look at this. This is giving me summer. This is giving me holiday. This is beautiful. I love it. So if you are my skin tone, you need to find yourself a coral lipstick. That is what we've learned today. Coral on my skin tone is flawless. And now we're going into the final lip combo. I've had so much fun. I'm not ready to stop, but there's only so much my lips can take. So I'm going to be using the NYX Suede Matte Lip Liner, Lip Crayon in the shade Club Hopper. Is this the last one? Nah, this is the last one. And now we're gonna go into the Victoria's Secret Velvet Matte Lip Cream, and this is in the shade Obsessed.
So give me one for my money. There's nobody, no one surround me. So give me one for my money. Sipping bubbly, feel lovely.
So just a little disclaimer, last time I wore this lip cream stain, it did stain my lips red for like hours after I took it off, but I didn't personally mind. I think I kind of look cute with red lips. But yeah, that is the fact, so be warned. But this lipstick is really nice on. I love the way this pinkish purple magenta shade looks on my lips. And I don't know how I feel about the lip liner pairing. I feel like the lip liner pairing is a bit dark and it's dulling down the lip look. However, it does look really defined, and I don't know, it's like I'm half for it, half against it, but I do think these lips are doing things. They are doing things to me right now. I love it. Why have I been wearing nudes all along when I have these beautiful shades in my collection? I need to like shake myself and grab myself and tell myself to start wearing color more, because color it's bringing my features together. So yeah, this is what this shade looks like on me. So all in all, we have come to the end of the video, and I hope this video has inspired you to experiment with color on your lips, because girl, nude lip combos are nice, they're good, but we need to spice it up for the summer. Well, maybe not for the summer because we're stuck indoors, but for our lives we need to step it up. I really like the way these colors just brought my look together. Like, you can do a really simple look and the lip color will just elevate the look. I really love it. I look so put together. But yeah, so that is that for today's video. I hope you liked it. I hope you try some of these combos out, and I really hope you subscribed. So that's it for today. I hope I see you in the next one.